LLMs are commonly trained offline and at one space and time, making the model uncertain of any data that's created after the model was trained. This is a major limitation of LLMs. RAG retrieves data from outside the LLM by integrating it with an external knowledge base, which then augments the user's prompts by adding relevant retrieved data in its response. RAG allows the model to access and leverage information it hasn't previously seen, improving its ability to provide more accurate and relevant responses. The process involves creating a vector database and using similarity search to find similar information to the query. This code snippet performs question answering using a combination of a retriever and a generator model. First, we define the question you want to ask. What is the latest clinical update on diabetes? This question seeks information about the most recent developments or findings related to the clinical aspects of diabetes. This type of question is common in medical and healthcare contexts, where staying updated with the latest research and clinical guidelines is important for healthcare professionals to provide optimal care to patients. So after you define the question, you want to tokenize it. This line tokenizes the question using a tokenizer. The tokenizer converts the question into token IDs suitable for input to the model. The return tensors equal PT argument indicates that the tokenizer should return a PyTorch tensor. This line retrieves relevant passages from a knowledge base using a retriever model. The retriever takes the tokenized question as input and returns relevant passages that might contain the answer to the question. The retriever args variable contains any additional arguments needed for the retriever. This line generates an answer to the question using a generator model. The generator takes the relevant passages retrieved by the retriever as input and generates an answer. The generate args variable contains any additional arguments needed for the generator. This line decodes the generated answer from token IDs back into text using the tokenizer and prints it out. The output variable contains the generated answer, and 0 is used to access the first generated answer, assuming only one answer is generated. For instance, if you have generated answers stored in a variable called output, accessing the first answer can be done by using output 0. This notation allows you to retrieve the specific answer generated for further analysis or presentation.